Hey everybody, Allison here. Let's dive into this Tuesday trade idea with TSM. So I've been watching this one for a little bit. I've liked the pullback that it's had into support. We're getting some nice indicators showing that it's trying to reset here. We're building into a daily squeeze. But TSM also has a weekly bullish divergence bar, technically looking for its follow through by this week, 248.28. Now, I'm not sure if we'll get all the way up to that level, but we are at the 10 period simple as support. We are at a daily support level. So at the very least, if we can bounce back up towards the 10 period simple, I don't think that would be out of the question. Over in the small lots room at Simpler Trading, we decided to go with a really low risk trade, the 240, 245 here into the close. Currently, it's about 53 cents right now in the mark, 447 max profit potential. So if it can't get the bounce, not a huge hit to the account whatsoever, but if it can, excellent risk versus reward to try and lock in a quick win. So we'll see how this goes. Thank you so much for joining me. Check me out next Tuesday for another trade idea. Bye, guys.
Hey, Allison Ostrander here, Director of Risk Tolerance at Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment down below to help us out. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when we release our next video. And if you want to watch us trade in real time using our own money, go to simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. As always, may the trade be with you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.